In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Life360 circle. Alright, let's jump right in. I'm on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening the Life360 app. Once it loads, you'll land on the main screen where you can see the map and your circle info if you already have one. If not, it'll just show a default view of your location. From here, look up toward the top of the screen. You'll see a little drop-down menu right there. Go ahead and tap on that to open it. When the drop down opens, you'll see a few options, but the one we're interested in is join a circle. Tap on that and it will take you to a new screen where you can enter an invite code. This is where Life360 lets you join an existing circle that someone else has created. Now you'll see a field to type in the invite code. This code should have been shared with you by a family member, friend, or whoever manages the circle. Go ahead and carefully type it in exactly as it was given to you. Make sure all the letters, numbers, and capitalization match. Even a small typo can cause the code not to work, so double check before moving on. Once you've entered the code, go ahead and tap on Submit. Life360 will take a moment to process the code and connect you to the circle. If the code is correct, you'll immediately be added and you should start seeing all the circle members on your map. You can zoom in or out to see everyone's location, and it'll update in real time just like your own location does. After joining, you might also notice some new features become available, like notifications when someone arrives or leaves a place, or the ability to chat with circle members. Life360 keeps everything organized so you can see everyone in one place without any extra steps. And that's basically it. Once you've submitted the code, you're officially part of the circle and ready to use all the features Life360 offers with your group. You can always leave the circle later or join another one by repeating this process. So to quickly recap, open Life360, tap the drop down at the top, select join a circle, carefully type in the invite code and hit submit. That's it, you're in and ready to go.